don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks. What are we doing?
We're gonna get the rest of the sawdust on the barn floor.
Well, we're gonna take it off the trailer and put it where we store the manure. So since we cleaned the manure out, you'll see when we go inside. It'll make sense then. Are you ready? You driving? As far as it'll go, so we might put it on the bed of the truck. I need you to think heavy thoughts so you can sink the back of the truck down. Those of you wondering, I spun the back tires to dig down a little bit. Did we get it?
Yeah! We got it! I think
Lined up.
we were a little too far though.
It's close. Oh, there we are. There we go. Turn that handle to the side button. There you go. You're a cheater, I wasn't ready. Alright, so those of you that maybe you didn't see before, we used to have hay bales down here, and we've cleaned that out. And now that it's cleaned out, we actually usually have manure stacked up there. If we don't have time to spread it, we'll just push this down, and then we throw down new sawdust. Well, since we have all the manure cleared and it looks like we're gonna have time to spread the next batch of manure without having to store it, we're gonna store all of our sawdust there. We gotta open that door. What are you gonna do? I'm sure a lot of you are wondering why we went through all that effort to unload sawdust. Well, sawdust is what we use for the bedding for our animals during the winter because it's cheap and very easily available where we live. And the other nice part is it really adds a lot of nutrients to the fertilizer that is created in this barn. And that is in turn spread on our hayfield. So we try to operate as efficiently and effectively as possible, just like any other farm. Yes, it would be safer and easier if we had a dump trailer, for instance, to get the sawdust off the trailer. We don't have one, and it's just not in the budget this year, or next year, or even probably the year after. Eventually, yes, there will be one. Just wanted to show you and have you give you an understanding. So the area we're standing in right now is where we generally pile manure. We did have our hay in here earlier this year, mainly because we had a tarp that got holes in it and it wasn't effective anymore, and we couldn't patch it. It was just too big of a rip. So we brought the hay in here, and we actually got our hay tarp fixed now. So as you can see, sometimes when it's just father and son alone, things get a little out of hand. We get ideas, make ramps.
Sometimes.
It's okay. But I know that it was a little unusual the way we unload the trailer, but it's just the only way we have, and right now we don't have the money, nor will we in the near, probably next 2 or 3 years, to buy a dump trailer. So right now what works for us is just putting it on this trailer and unloading it. Now what we're going to do in the future, instead of having to get on the trailer like we did today, we're actually going to put the screws that hold the bolt, or hold the plywood to the boards, the 2x4s on the outside. We're going to put them in from the outside, and then we can simply take the screws out and lift everything out without getting on the trailer, and we'll be able to scoop almost all of it just from the sides, and what we can't, we'll just get up there and do by hand. So, what are you doing? Did you have fun today? I did too. Are you itchy? Me too. Ready to go take showers and get a snack?
Yeah,
Me too.
snack.
Snack first? Okay. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, or even if you haven't and you like the video, hit that like button. It makes him smile. So, thank you guys. Have a blessed week. We'll see you next time.
If you like our video, press the like button. And you can even share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Finally. Adios. Adios.